Good morning. I am Dr. V. Sridhara, Associate Professor, Department of Applied Geology, School of Applied Natural Science, Adama Science and Technology University, Adama, Ethiopia. We have carried a study on the drainage basin analysis in Ethiopia and prepared a paper entitled A Morphometric Analysis of Bonji Drainage Basin around Central Rift Valley, Ethiopia, using the modern technology called geospatial tools. Geomorphic processes are continuing activity on the surface of the earth. Therefore, geomorphology is one of the important subjects in geology. Streams and rivers are powerful fluvial agents of erosion, transportation, and depositions. The drainage system contributes for the overland flow of water in the hydrological cycles. The physiographic characteristic of drainage basin, such as shape, size, slope, drainage, density, and length of the tributary, can be correlated with the hydrological cycles. The study is called morphometric analysis. The morphometric analysis mainly refers to the quantitative evaluation of form characteristics of the Earth's surface and any landform in it. This is the most common technique in basin analysis, as morphometry forms an ideal aerial unit for interpretations and analysis of fluvial originated landform. The importance of morphometric variables is their usefulness for comparisons and various statistical analysis. This morphometric analysis is a modern approach for quantitative analysis of a drainage basin morphology, and this was pioneerly studied by Hutton in this field. Hutton's law were subsequently modified and developed by several geomorphologists. Most notably are by Strahler, 1950, 1952, 1957, 1964, 1968, then Schum, 1954, 1956, Morisot, 1958, Shreve, 1967, Gregory and Walling, 1973. And there are a number of books published in this area, mainly by Bloom, 2002, Keller and Painter, 1996, on the morphometric analysis. The study mainly deals with the drainage pattern and morphometric analysis of Bonji drainage basin with the help of delineating the groundwater potential zone in the areas. Hence, attempts were made to use cutting-edge technology such as remote sensing and GIS, called geospatial tool, to study the characteristic of the Bonji drainage basin. It is expected that this study would contribute to fill the gap, knowledge gap in the study area, and eventually to encourage the researchers and academicians to consider real addition. Moreover, this study is vital for assessing basin management, environmental assessment, geological process undergoing in this area. The study area is located in the Central Rift Valley of Ethiopia. This is the Central Rift Valley, and the Avasa Basin, upland of the Avasa Basin is considered, which is called Bonji Basins. This is the study area, and it is located in the Central Rift Valley. The area is accessible mainly by roads. The general main roads. It is mainly a warm climate with mean temperature of 21 degrees centigrade, annual rainfall of 806 mm, and it is called semi-arid to semi-humid climate conditions. The methods and material used in the study is mainly geospatial tools, geographic information system, and remote sensing technique using satellite image for the morphometric analysis. The morphometric analysis was carried out by using shuttle radar topographic mission, that SRTM DEM data, digital elevation model of 90-meter spatial resolution, using ArcGIS software. Topographic map such as from Survey of Ethiopia, sheet number 0839 and at 1:50,000 scale was georeference using the ArcGIS tool. In morphometric analysis, the drainage parameters such as stream order, stream number, stream length, basin area, basin parameters, perimeters were directly obtained from using GIS software. Then we used standard methods and formulas such as given by Horton, Strahler, Clorley and Schum for evaluated aerial morphometric characteristic of the drainage basin. This is the flow chart showing how we carried out the methodology of the study. So SRTM data was used, topographic data was used and derived the DEM from this morphometric analysis. The morphometric analysis mainly three parameters: linear aspect, aerial aspect and relief aspect. Under linear aspect we are using stream number, stream order, stream length, mean stream length and bifurcation ratio. In the aerial parameters we use basin area, basin perimeter, form factor, elongation ratio, length of overland flow, stream frequency, drainage density, drainage textures, drainage intensity, circulatory ratios and channel contact of channel maintenance. Then relief aspect mainly relief, basin relief, then ruggedness number and drainage and dissection index. These are the parameters we studied under the morphometric analysis for the ONG basins. Using the GIS tool and remote sensing data, we carried out this analysis for the three parameters of aerial, linear, aerial and relief factors. The analysis shows that by using SRTM digital model we extracted the drainage basin and different drainage basin. So morphometric analysis, which is all about exploring the mathematical relations between various stream attributes used to compare stream and to identify factors that may be exhibiting the difference in characters computed based on the equations. The linear, aerial, relief characteristics of drainage basins are principal aspects, and accordingly the morphometric analysis of the present study is classified into three groups. As I said earlier, linear aspect, aerial aspect and drainage. The result of each of the parameters is given in the table. So these are the different parameters, linear parameters, and what are the formulas are used, and what is the who has given the different formulas. So we have linear aspect, we have aerial aspect, we have the then relief aspects. So based on this satellite DEM data, we have delineated the different drainage systems. So this is the watershed boundary has been delineated first from the slope map, and different drainages are there. So these are the first order drainage. When two first order drainage joins, then based on the Horton then Strahler's methods of stream numbering. So this is the first order stream. Undivided streams are called first order stream. When two first order stream joins, the second order stream forms. When two second order stream forms, third order stream forms. This is the blue line indicate third order stream. When three third order stream joins, then we get the fourth order streams. That is, this color is the fourth order stream. Then based on the when two fourth order stream joins, then we get the fifth order stream. So based on this our study, the drainage, the Monge portion is of the fifth order streams. Then we calculated different analysis. So when the stream order, stream number and stream bifurcation tables, we prepared a table. Then we see this is the number of the stream orders. We have five stream orders, and we have the number of streams. We have the bifurcation ratios. From this, if you see the table, when the stream order increases, the stream number decreases. That is inversely proportional. Similarly, we calculate the stream length and stream length ratios. So it shows that when the stream order increases, the stream length decreases. Then we have calculated different parameters, and each parameter different results were obtained and tabulated in this table. So this is from the SRTM data, we delineated the slope map of the area, and it is shows that it is a rugged terrain, undulating terrain, and mostly this is the tank, and these are the plain regions. This is the slopy areas. So the slope area is between 0 to 33 degrees centigrade, 33 degrees. So from the different data analysis, it is concluded that the present study, various morphometric aspects of the Vonji Basin of the Central Rift Valley of Ethiopia were carried out using remote sensing and GIS data. Morphometric analysis was evaluated for major parameters of the three aspects: linear, aerial, and relief aspects. In the drainage system, the arrangement of stream explained that drainage pattern which will be reflected in the structure and lithology of the underlying rocks. Observing the drainage map, it is informed that upper part of the drainage is mainly a dendritic pattern, and as they go down the lower part, it is mainly trellis nature. Therefore, it can be deduced that the lower part of the terrain is structurally disturbed, and the drainage map indicate that the Vonji Basin is of the fifth order stream. The mean bifurcation ratio of the basin is 3.39, which indicates that it is a hilly, moderately sloped terrain and homogeneous in nature, which is validated from the geological map. The drainage density, stream frequency, and elongation ratio are 0.66, 0.195, 0.88 respectively for the basins. This shows that the basin is characterized by flat, long duration, and easier for flood management. The overall morphometric analysis indicate that basin is characterized by moderately sloped and there is a slow concentration of runoff. The study indicates the area is having poor to moderate groundwater potential. So there is not much flooding in these areas. From the study we can see that controlling flood is very easy. So overall, the morphometric analysis using geospatial, GIS, geographical information system, and remote sensing data and technique play a vital role for the preparation and updating the drainage map and evaluation of morphometric parameters. It is suggested that this study using high resolution elevation data should be carried out for better understanding the characteristic of the river basin for efficient planning and management studies. So based on the study, it can be concluded that, or it can be stated that, remote sensing is primarily a data collection technology, and whereas GIS is predominantly data input technologies. Thank you.